Hello everyone, if you wanted to know how you can make an XP farming server like this to farm those weapon mastery camos in, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to create an XP farming server just like this filled with bots on your game Battlefield 6 easily. So first off, you're going to come here, you're going to click onto community, go into search experiences, you're going to go into maps and modes, make sure you select the custom mode from here and do not select any map from here. Click apply filters then. You're going to write weapon XP here and search for it. And then you'll find this sixth server called all weapon XP. Just click on it, click on host, scroll down, add a password to your server. And then just click host on here and do not click host locally, because if you click host locally, you will not get XP from the server. And once you're here, you're going to click deploy. And here we are. As you can see, we have just created our very own XP farming server that we can farm those weapon mastery camos in. And once you're done farming those weapon mastery kills, then you can just come here, press E to end the boosting session, and when you press E, it will end the session and you'll get your XP. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.